Gomez. Hello, Gomez. I guess you can't go up to 5 when you're videoing. Hi. Hi, pretty bird. Oh, you're by the friend in the mirror. I'm so glad you like that one, baby. That's why I had it sent same day. Because I knew that you were kind of in a crisis. This quarantine business is not easy on it, birdie. So I just wanted you to be okay until we were allowed to come into the living room on Christmas, sweetheart. I am so happy to see you, pretty bird. Yes, I am. Gomez, you're such a pretty baby. Yes, you are too. Alright, I'll leave you alone, sweetheart. Thank you for the video, baby. Thank you